Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are doing well. My name is Love and welcome to Private and PSU Jobs YouTube channel. So today I have come up with a private job update. The name of the organization is Wonderland. So now first let us discuss something about this organization. It is a material handling and logistics automation company headquartered at Netherlands. It is the global market leader for future-proof logistic process automation at airports. So it is a very reputed multinational company, and if you are eligible then you should definitely apply for this. Now this job update will be applicable for experienced candidates only. If you have not subscribed this channel yet, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive the latest job updates. So let us start. The link through which you will have to apply is given in the description box of this video. You will have to click on that link and you will reach the page that I am showing to right now, and we have reached the official careers page of this organization. Now you will have to move downward and enter your country, that is India. I am entering it. Now it is showing that total 82 jobs are there right now in India, so I am clicking on this. Now a new interface has been opened, as you can see in the screen, and there are total 82 positions right now in India. I will discuss this job title, that is Mechanical Project Engineer 1. So I am clicking on this. So here you can see the name of the job title is Mechanical Project Engineer 1, and the job location will be Pune only. This will be a permanent job. Now what will be your core task? You will have to support product manager engineering, research and development for product development. You will have to support product standardization and tooling. You need to be able to recognize project complexity, technical problems, and support the engineering team proactively. You need to transfer knowledge to the other engineers and so on. So you can read this. These will be your core tasks in this company. Now next, hard skills that are required for the job are: you should have knowledge of mechanical installations. You should have knowledge of steel work design requirements. You should be proficient in 3D modeling and CAD softwares like ACAD and Navis. Basically, if you have done a 3D modeling and CAD software work in an organization, then that will be a great advantage. Now you should be able to perform health and safety risk analysis on components. So these are the hard skills that are required for the job. Next, soft skills. So soft skills that are required for the job are good communication skills, taking initiative, result oriented, creative and innovative, disciplined and cooperative. Now these are the soft skills that are required for the job. If you have it, then your chances of selection will be increased. Next, education qualification. Only BE Mechanical will be eligible for the job update. Now the desired experience level that is required for the job is: you should have 4 to 7 year experience in mechanical project engineering work or experience in research and development, product development. So this is the desired experience level that is required for the job. You can see in the screen. Now how to apply? You will have to click on this apply button. I am clicking on this. Now a new interface has been opened, as you can see in the screen. Now if you have previously applied in this organization, then you will have to simply sign in by entering your password and email ID, and then simply click on this apply button and your form will be submitted. Or you can apply through LinkedIn as well directly. If you have a LinkedIn account, then you will have to simply click on this apply with LinkedIn and your form will be submitted. So in this way you can apply for the job update. So this was the job update that I have discussed with you today. Thank you for watching. I will meet you in the next video with new job update. Till then, goodbye, take care.